Well, hey folks, this is what a blizzard looks like. I'm in mid-coast Maine, if you want to call it. I guess is the best thing you'd relate to. But we're getting about 3 to 4 inches an hour of snow, and that's what this looks like. Just thought I'd show it. Man, we are getting one heck of a storm, I'll tell you that, folks. It is big. A lot. And we'll probably wind up 24 to 30 inches on this one. They said 18 to 24, but no, we've already got 18, and we've got 2 to 3 more hours of this, so probably closer to 30. Wind's really kicking up now, you can see. That's kind of what whiteout looks like. That's why it's not a good idea to drive in this stuff. You can handle the road. Problem is you can't see very much when the wind kicks up. But yeah, another winter in Maine. Digging out. Already spent 2 hours out there cleaning stuff up just so it won't be that bad when it finally does pass us by, which will be in the next few hours. But anyway, thought I'd just share it with you. It's what 2 to 4 inches an hour looks like, and closer to 4 inches on this one. Right now, that's probably 4 inches an hour. So anyway, life is good. I hope your lives are all good. And yeah, another fun day. Jim out.